Hello friends, today we are going to learn about animated videos, a software which is used to create animated videos. We know that videos are very important tool to make your students learn in an interesting way. So let's learn about a software through which we can, by using that software, we can create videos, animated videos on our own. So you have to type Render Forest in your Google browser. Now this will come www.renderforest.com. You have to click on it. Now here you can sign in if you have, like, you can create a free account on it. So you have to sign in with that, and if you don't want to sign in, you can sign in with your Google. Means if you have an account on this website, you can sign in with that email and password. If you don't have an account and if you want to sign in with Google or Facebook, you can do that. So I'm signing it with my Google account. I have clicked on it. Now I am using my Gmail account. So this type of window will open. Now in this you can see that there are lots of kits. You can use any kit. So let's say you can use this whiteboard kit. You can also use this explainer video toolkit, and you can also use this 3D explainer toolkit. So there are lots of kits, but for our purpose we can use 3 or 4 more kits. Rest you can explore at your own. Now let's start with this explainer video toolkit. So I'm clicking on it. I have to click on create now. Now when I click on create now, these 3 options are with me. Now to create a free animated video, I have to click on it, because with subscription I can have other features, but with free account, let's select this option. This load a preset is when you have a ready story and you can choose from the ready stories. In this you can type your script and they will suggest a best match, and in this you have to create your own scenes. Okay, so let's click on it. I have selected this option, add a scene, and I am clicking on create. Now there are lots of scenes are available with me, like this is thinking man, thinking male office worker, angry office worker. So these are different characters. We can select out of these characters and we can select a scene. So what we have to do, we have to click on a particular character and we have to insert. Okay, now there are some other character group animations as well. We have background animations as well. So let's select one out of this. Let's say I am selecting this, and then I have to click on insert. I have inserted. Now I can type my text here. This scene shows a female worker, a female waving his hand happily. So what I will type here, whatever I want to type, I can type here depending on the scene I have selected. So I am typing hello friends. I have to click on save and close. Now if I want to, we can also you can see here, we can also change the text position, text on the left or text on the right. They can also suggest, they are also suggesting the matching scenes to us, so we can select from the matching scenes as well. Otherwise we can add other scenes from the all scenes available to us. So now I am moving to other, like background animations. Now in background animations there are different scenes. I can select any scene from it. So let's say I am selecting this scene which shows handshaking between man and woman with an industrial icon. So I am selecting this scene and I am adding, I am clicking on insert. Now I can type welcome to our training unit. Clicking on save and close. You can also change it if you think you have typed it wrongly, so you can also click on it and you can edit it again. Save and close. Okay, now let's add one more scene. Now again we can go to this and we can select any. There are lots of scenes, lots of different types of scenes, so you can select any one. Now let's select one more scene from this. Let's select this scene, male and female office workers discussion, and I'm clicking on insert. So this have been added. Now I can type my text here. So I can write, I am writing let's streamline the next plan. They are discussing. You can type any text you want to add. I'm clicking on save and close. So 3 scenes I have added. Now you can also change the style from here. You can add color. You can add color. Okay, according to you. So let's select, this is default color. Let's select this color. Okay, it is saving changes. Now you can also add music according to you, according to the music available to us. There are different audios available to us. We can add. What we have to do, you can also play. Okay, so I'm clicking on, or maybe the different. Okay, I have selected this. You can click on this to add this voice cover. You can go to the preview. You can see free preview. It will take some time. take some time. Yes, so our video is ready. In free version, this watermark will be there. So you can also download it. You can download it. You can publish it. You can share it. And first, let's play. So we can download it, we can publish it, and we can share it. Now let's download it. So you can download it, you can publish it, and you can share it. Let's download it. So when I am downloading it, it will be available in my folder. I can see that in my folder. If I want to publish it, you have to write the title here. You have to describe this video, that what this video talks about, and then you can publish on YouTube if you have your YouTube channel. Okay, and you can also share it with your friends on Facebook, on Twitter, and on LinkedIn. Okay, so this is all about how to create an animated video. Thank you.